What's going on, viewers that clicked on this video? If you don't already know me, I'm built tough 1776, and this is my 1995 K1500 single cab step side with the 5.7 TBI small block in it. You saw the title of this video, and I'm going to keep it real short, but I'm going to show you how to fix your oil pressure gauge on your Gage cluster. Let's unlock it real quick. Keyless entry. Nice unlock Detroit sound. Made in August of '95. Oh, wow. Isn't that convenient? I better put that on. Much better. Okay, well, if y'all have seen my other videos, this Chevy runs pretty well. She's got 331,000 miles on her now. She just hit that the other day, and she's still going very strong. Only complaint right now is the throttle body is being a piece of work because she idles on the high side, but I looked and read into some things about it, and well, there's just a few adjusting things I may need to do, and I've heard a lot of it, it's a vacuum seal that may not be working properly because she idles at about 1,000 the lowest and only 1500. So I'm wearing out my front disc brakes, and we don't worry about the drums because those do nothing. But if you can tell, the hat and well, I think we see that sticker over there. Well, that's how you fix your gauge cluster, your oil pressure gauge cluster. I've never really shown y'all any clips of it, but I'll insert a picture right now, which is the thumbnail. And as you can see, when I'm sitting in traffic, she always thinks I'm at 0 oil pressure, so that's a bunch of bull. So instead of, fixing it like a normal person would do, I'm gonna just make it a little more on the patriotic side. And well, that's the end of this video. Stay tuned for some more videos, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, and hope y'all have a good night. Adios.